I started losing my hair about 15 years ago, and part of the challenge was I felt like it was my responsibility to cover it up.
Over time, what I noticed is that there was a decrease in his confidence, the way he walked, the way he talked, when he was looking people in the eyes, because in the back of his mind he's thinking, oh, they're probably looking at my head, or did they see my bald spot, or any of those types of things.
So I would walk around with hats. When I'd go out, I'd turn my head down. Did Rogaine for about 4 years and absolutely nothing. And I just kind of got sick of having to feel like my hair was controlling my life. I wanted to gain that control back. I researched one company, Skalp. It was the first company that I saw. I read the Google reviews, and the most important part about what I read about Skalp was the customer service.
Going in for the consultation, that really was very exciting for both of us because we saw what this could be for him, what this process could do and how it could change his life and his confidence.
I had to come outside of the state, so they worked with my schedule. They made sure that they had somebody available for me here to explain what the process was going to look like, what the pre and post process was going to look like, and they just walked me through what the experience was going to be.
One of the big concerns that we both had was that he had these very significant areas where he was bald and then other areas where the hair was thinning. And so what we were worried about is if he's not completely bald, what is that going to look like? How is that going to transition and look normal and fade right and all of that type of stuff?
That was probably a little bit of the most concerning part for me because I'd never done anything like this. So they put me at ease with how the process was going to go and how I was going to experience this.
And then about 3 weeks later, he went in for the actual first appointment, and he walked in one man and he walked out the man that I met years before.
When I had my process done, it was much less painless than I thought it was going to be. When I left, I had all my post-care instructions, and I actually came back for a couple extra sessions because I realized how important it was to get the look that I wanted to get.
Get in for the consultation and go with your partner because you'll be surprised what this could look like and what it could mean for their future, and confidence transforms everyone.
As a man, your hair is kind of everything. I went through some dark years where I hid my hair and I was, ashamed to show myself. And I wish I had known about this years earlier. I wish it had been available earlier because I think it gives people a new lease on life.